flip down your hood. That's actually, yeah, you're good.
Okay.
It's gonna be far enough. And then that's a good stick out. You want to maintain that stick out as much as possible.
That right there, about an inch.
Yeah. A little bit less if you depending.
I'm gonna clip it, and then when we turn this on, then we can talk about it again.
Okay.
I won't do that. Okay.
That looks good, and you can go a little bit as you go. I'm just gonna monitor your stick out. If I tell you to go lower, just push your contact tip in a little bit. If you're too close, I tell you to go out. And that's the only thing I'm gonna be watching.
When you say lower out, that specifically is this, right? Mm-hmm. Not, obviously I'm exaggerating. That one looks really good. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Even though that's really awesome, is your angle was a little bit too low, but that's amazing.
What was it, like here?
Yeah.
Okay, I can feel that.
But that's a really good. Looks really nice.
Okay, and so is it okay? Because at first it took me a while. It took me a while to like see it and readjust.
Yeah.
So I guess that's kind of okay to do that initially.
Yeah, totally. That's just it's something like because you can't see until you struck an arc, so it can kind of get strong well.
Okay, no.
Like you want to have.
I was doing really broad strokes, like purposely.
Yeah, I mean it looks good.
Felt good about that.
If you feel good, it looks good. Looks good to me.
Are you videoing?
How's it going?
Close it tightly. It's got the cord and you gotta like. Okay. I'm just that powerful. I definitely noticed when I did the arc, I saw that I wasn't even on the corner, and so then I just moved over. So I guess it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
That's fucking awesome.
Yeah, totally. You see those like little balls? People's methods, but I think your welds are. I think for you, I definitely think your welds look better with the little bit of, like you don't want to go up, like right here, that's like kind of as far up as you want to go on that. Does that make sense?
This way?
Well, on this plate, like you don't want to go, you kind of want to keep it.
Like is this too thick right here?
Yeah, well, it's a little too thick. I mean, it's totally okay, and it's like functional for sure. But
it's not what you're looking for.
Yeah, you're looking for kind of like a little bit.
That's beautiful.
Well, like this right here is really ideal.
It's way smaller.
Yeah, it is, and that's because but you don't want it to go like I even went up like too far on this plate.
Okay.
But you want it to kind of be like this kind of angle on it. But you know, they look good.